So coming to the outer covering, let's go from external to internal. The first is the DURAMATER. It extends from foramen magnum to S2, second sacral vertebra. These coverings, this DURAMATER, it is a continuation of meningeal layer of cranial DURAMATER. You know, the spinal cord is a distal part of the central nervous system. Since it is a continuation of the central nervous system, brain, this DURAMATER is also a continuation of meningeal layer of cranial DURAMATER. It provides a tubular prolongation on each side around the roots of spinal nerves. It is supplied by recurrent branches of the spinal nerves. The spaces between the spinal dura and the vertebral canal is called epidural space. It contains loose areolar tissue, semi-fluid fat, and internal vertebral venous plexus. The space between the DURAMATER and the arachnoid matter is called subdural space, which contains a capillary layer of fluid. So let's see. This is a section of the spinal cord. So this is the spinal cord, and you can see two coverings externally. This outer covering is the DURAMATER, what we have discussed now. So this is the DURAMATER, and then inner aspect of the DURAMATER is lined by an arachnoid matter, the second layer, and the innermost layer is the pia mater. We cannot differentiate the pia mater because it is closely adherent to the spinal cord. So let's see the cranial DURAMATER, because we already discussed the DURAMATER is a continuation of the meningeal layer of the cranial dura. Because the cranial dura has two layers, this is periosteal DURAMATER and the second is meningeal DURAMATER. So the inner aspect, this is the brain covered by pia mater, arachnoid matter. On the outer, there is two layers of DURAMATER. The outer one, which is lining the inner aspect of the periosteum of the skull, is the periosteal DURAMATER, and the inner one is the meningeal DURAMATER. So these are folds of cranial DURAMATER, which is derived from meningeal layer. These meningeal layer, they continue downwards as the meningeal layer or the DURAMATER of the spinal cord. So finally, the DURAMATER of the spinal cord is a continuation of meningeal layer, not periosteal layer. Now let's go to the next layer of coverings, that is the arachnoid matter. In this diagram, it is represented in sky blue color. So this is the arachnoid matter, this is the vertebral column, this is DURAMATER, arachnoid, and innermost pia mater. So what do you mean by the word arachnus? The arachnus means spider. It is a spider-like trabeculae which extends between arachnoid matter and the pia mater. So it is an extension which is going inside, not to the DURAMATER. It is a thin, delicate avascular membrane which invests the spinal cord loosely.